Say goodbye to pimples. Effective home remedies for clear skin. Hey everyone, it's your name, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a universal struggle, pimples. But listen, you are not alone, and more importantly, there are solutions. We're ditching the harsh chemicals and diving into the world of natural remedies. If you're ready to say goodbye to those pesky pimples and hello to clear, radiant skin, then keep on watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future skincare secrets. Alright, let's kick things off with a skincare superstar lemon juice. This citrusy wonder isn't just for lemonade anymore. It's packed with citric acid, which acts as a natural astringent. Now, what does an astringent do? Basically, it helps to dry out those pesky pimples and tighten those pores. But hold up, before you go drenching your face in lemon juice, remember, a little goes a long way. We don't want to overdo it and irritate the skin. Here's the key. Dilution is your best friend. Grab some fresh lemon juice and mix it with an equal amount of water. This creates a gentler solution that's less likely to cause any unwanted irritation. Now, take a cotton ball, dip it into your lemon water mixture, and gently dab it onto those areas where you're breaking out. Afterward, rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Next up, we're whipping up a sweet treat, not for your taste buds, but for your skin. This time, we're diving into the pantry for two ingredients you probably already have: honey and cinnamon. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and happy. Plus, it boasts antibacterial properties that can help combat those acne-causing bacteria. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is a natural anti-inflammatory, so it can help calm down any redness and swelling associated with those breakouts. Together, they make a powerful duo for fighting pimples and achieving that coveted clear complexion. To create this magical mask, simply combine 2 tablespoons of raw organic honey with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix them well until you have a smooth paste. Now, apply a thin layer of this sweet concoction to your entire face, or if you prefer, you can target specific areas where you tend to break out. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water and gently pat your face dry. Let's talk about tea tree oil, the holy grail of natural spot treatments. This little bottle packs a powerful punch against acne. This potent essential oil is derived from the leaves of the tea tree, native to Australia, and let me tell you, it's a bona fide acne annihilator. The extraction process ensures that all the beneficial properties are preserved. Tea tree oil possesses powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that effectively target those pesky pimple-causing bacteria and reduce redness and inflammation. It's like a tiny warrior fighting off skin invaders. But here's the deal. Tea tree oil is pretty strong stuff, and using it undiluted can actually irritate your skin. Always read the label and follow the instructions carefully. My go-to ratio is 1 drop of tea tree oil to 9 drops of a carrier oil. This dilution helps to ensure that your skin reaps the benefits without the risk of irritation. Some great carrier oil options include coconut oil, jojoba oil, or even just plain old olive oil. Each carrier oil has its own additional benefits, so choose one that suits your skin type. Once you've mixed your tea tree oil with your carrier oil, grab a clean cotton swab, dip it into the mixture, and gently dab it directly onto those active breakouts. This targeted application ensures maximum effectiveness. Now you can leave the tea tree oil on overnight to really let it work its magic. Or if you have sensitive skin, you can wash it off after 15 to 20 minutes. Adjust the duration based on how your skin reacts. Just remember, consistency is key with tea tree oil. Incorporate it into your nightly skincare routine for the best results. Keep at it, and you'll start to see a noticeable difference in the size and redness of your pimples. Your skin will thank you for the dedication and care. Now let's move on to a true skincare superhero, aloe vera. This succulent plant is a lifesaver, literally. It's been used for centuries to soothe burns, heal wounds, and calm irritated skin. And guess what? It works wonders on pimples too. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce redness, soothe irritation, and even minimize scarring. The best part? You can use aloe vera straight from the source. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, simply snap off a leaf, slice it open, and scoop out that clear gel inside. Apply a generous amount of this gel directly onto your pimples and let it dry. You can even leave it on overnight for an extra boost of hydration and healing. If you don't have an aloe vera plant, don't worry. You can find pure aloe vera gel at most drugstores and health food stores. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn pimple or just need to soothe irritated skin, aloe vera is your go-to natural remedy. Time to raid your pantry again, because we're about to unlock the skincare secrets of oatmeal. Yes, you heard that right. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast anymore. It's a gentle giant in the world of skincare, especially when it comes to soothing irritated skin and calming down those angry pimples. Oatmeal contains compounds called avenanthramides, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. To create a soothing oatmeal mask, simply combine half a cup of rolled oats with enough water to form a thick paste. You can also use milk or yogurt instead of water for added hydration. Apply the mask to your clean face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the oatmeal to work its magic. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Get ready to sip your way to clearer skin with green tea. This ancient beverage has been cherished for centuries, not just for its taste, but for its incredible health benefits. This beloved beverage isn't just a morning pick-me-up, it's also a skincare powerhouse that can transform your complexion. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly a group called catechins, which help to fight free radical damage, reduce inflammation, and even control oil production. These powerful compounds work together to keep your skin looking youthful and radiant. Now, you can incorporate green tea into your skincare routine in a couple of ways, making it a versatile addition to your beauty regimen. First, you can simply brew a cup of green tea, let it cool completely, and then use a cotton ball to apply it directly to your skin as a toner. This method is simple yet effective. Another option is to pour the cooled green tea into a spray bottle and mist it onto your face throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. This can be especially soothing on hot days or after a workout. If you want to take things up a notch, you can even use green tea bags as a topical treatment for those pesky pimples. This method is both convenient and highly effective. Simply steep a green tea bag in hot water for a few minutes, let it cool slightly, and then apply it directly to the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. This can help to soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. The tannins in green tea will help to reduce inflammation and dry out the pimple, leaving your skin clearer and more balanced. So why not give green tea a try and see the difference it can make for your skin? Let's talk about apple cider vinegar, or ACV, as it's affectionately known. This humble kitchen staple has found its way into the hearts of skincare enthusiasts everywhere. This pantry staple has gained a cult following in the skincare world, and for good reason. It's not just for salads anymore. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent, meaning it helps to tighten pores and reduce excess oil production. This can be a game changer for those with oily or combination skin types. ACV also helps to balance your skin's pH level, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. A balanced pH means your skin can better defend itself against environmental stressors. When your skin's pH is out of whack, it can become more susceptible to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. This imbalance can lead to a host of skin issues that are hard to manage. Apple cider vinegar helps to restore the natural acidic mantle of your skin, creating an environment that's less hospitable to those pesky acne-causing bacteria. This can result in clearer, healthier skin over time. However, a word of caution: apple cider vinegar is pretty potent stuff, so it's important to dilute it before applying it to your face. Undiluted ACV can cause burns or irritation. I recommend mixing 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 3 tablespoons of water. This dilution helps to ensure that the ACV is gentle enough for your skin. Once you've diluted your ACV, simply apply it to your clean face using a cotton ball, avoiding the eye area. This method ensures even application and helps to target problem areas. Just remember to moisturize afterward, as ACV can be drying, especially if you have naturally dry skin. A good moisturizer will help to lock in hydration and keep your skin balanced. Finally, let's end our journey to clear skin with a classic: cucumbers. We've all seen those iconic spa scenes with cucumbers on the eyes, but did you know that cucumbers are incredibly beneficial for your entire face, especially if you're struggling with pimples? Cucumbers are like a tall glass of water for your skin. They're packed with water content, which helps to hydrate and plump up the skin. They also contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help soothe irritation, reduce inflammation, and even fade acne scars. To reap the benefits of cucumbers for your skin, simply wash a cucumber thoroughly and slice it into thin rounds. Apply the cucumber slices directly to your clean face, focusing on any areas where you have pimples or redness. Relax and let the cucumbers work their magic for 15 to 20 minutes. Afterward, remove the cucumber slices and gently pat any remaining cucumber juice into your skin. And there you have it, everyone. 8 incredible natural remedies to help you achieve clear, radiant skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Don't expect these remedies to work overnight. Incorporate them into your routine regularly and be patient with your skin. You'll start to see a noticeable difference over time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more natural health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay beautiful.